Okay, let me see if I got any more comments. Thank you guys for your questions. I appreciate everything. You remember, your question actually helps a lot of different other people who will see this years later and potentially change their whole life. I know I've gone down these rabbit holes where it changed one thing changed my whole life. I would say cloud was one of those things. Um just me asking questions like, "Wait a minute, what?" And then I go down this rabbit hole like learning more and more and more, and then all of a sudden now I'm a cloud guy. You know what I mean? So, let me see questions on TikTok. Let me see. More companies are trying to go to the old school on premise again, private cloud, because of those incidents. I remember saying that I don't put all your eggs in one baskets. They're all talking about the outage of what happened with AWS. Taking a Google CS course. GRC is what I do, what I want to do. What do I need to do besides CompTIA? What do I need to do besides CompTIA? I would say one of the main things you can do. There's a couple things you can do to cheat. Like what you can do to cheat is go to LinkedIn and type in GRC. 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 What people don't ask, the proper question is, how do I get in GRC in a specific industry? Because GRC is focused on specific industries. And I'll show you what I mean in a second here. But let's just type in GRC in LinkedIn to look at the market. Well, like I said, you want to cheat. So if you go here, if you look at these jobs will tell you what they're looking for. So this will tell you what kind of things that you need to have aside from 10 years experience, background in healthcare systems. Look at that, right? Because this is in healthcare. This is a GRC job in healthcare, more than likely. Let me see what I didn't look at it. Risk consultant. Another thing is GRC jobs have different names. It's not usually called GRC, Different there's different names for each one of these. SA risk consultant, health counselor, not this one's not even cybersecurity focused. So this is not a good one for us to look at. Let me look at another one here. This is a better one, I think. Let's look at this one. Now, this is in financial sector, I think. IT audit consultant. This is a type of GRC job. Remember, GRC is not just governance, it's risk management and compliance. So there's what we're looking for to cheat is in a given industry, what kinds of things are they looking for that industry? GRC analysts. Don't be fooled. Don't just look at this number right here. $80 an hour remote. Don't just look at that. You want to be accessible to this position. Like if you really want to win, you need to know what exactly they want you to have in your career path. This is a process. And then this process, what we're trying to do is make ourselves more attractive to multiple employers. The more employers we can make ourselves attractive to, that it lends itself to a process that will eventually land us a job, a good job, a pretty good position that's better than most people have. So look at this. It's telling us we're cheating because it's telling us what they want us to know. They want us to know how to develop and maintain system plans. Now, if you don't know what a system plan is, you got to go find out what that is. They want us to track and manage findings, risk, and mediation activities for a risk register. You don't know what those things are, you need to figure them out. This is telling us what they want us to know. Now, here's another thing you can do. You can actually look at people's resumes. people's resumes, GRC. All I did was type into GRC. Now, all these badasses, these people that you see that are listed here, these are all badass people. They put the right things and to make the algorithm put them first. They're coming from all walks of life. So what did she put on her? What we want to know is, what did she put on her resume that made her stand out? What kinds of language is she using? What kinds of skills does she have? We want to have those same skills. Now, keep in mind, my searches are not going to look like yours because, this algorithm is tailored towards me. So it's looking in my area, things like that. But this is the kind of research you want to do to make yourself more attractive to a GRC jobs. You want to align yourself with GRC jobs by knowing what types of things they're looking for in GRC roles. This guy's very, very technical. Not all GRC jobs are technical. So what you want to do, bottom line is, what you want to do is, number one, know that GRC is specific to each industry. Give you a couple examples. So government, they're going to want you to know a specific type of frameworks. They're going to want you to know NIST 800, NIST CSF, FSMA, FedRAMP, things like that. If you're in the financial sector, it's different. They're going to want you to know Sarbanes-Oxley, Graham-Bliley, I don't know how to pronounce it. But there's a couple of laws, acts, and things that they're going to want you to know. And different documents they want you to have experience with. At the very least, even if you don't have direct experience with these things, you want to be familiar with them enough to be able to speak on it in an interview. That's going to take you a long way. You can even go a little bit further by writing your own standard operating procedures in that field and policies in that field. Examine some policies that are actually in that field. You can find those on Google right now.